Congratulations SB19! Apat na major awards nga ang kanilang nahakot mula sa 17th Star Awards for Music. Congratulations SB19! Isa sa kanilang napanalunan ay ang Concert of the Year, Pagtatag World Tour Manila. Ilan pa sa major award na nakuha ng SB19 ay ang Duo Group Concert Performer of the Year, Playtime Fan Favorite Award, and Music Video of the Year Kalakal. Congratulations SB19! At eto na nga po, na-update po natin ito at pinag-uusapan po ito sa social media. Grabe po kasi dahil hindi naman po talaga ito pinromote ng husto, pero world-renowned P-pop Phenoms SB19's guesting at Grammys Global Spin Live at the Grammy Museum on July 28, 2026, sold out in less than 1 minute after the general sale began. Grabe po yung ticket. Yun po, talagang sold out po. At may nagkamali pa nga po na content creator na sinabi na parang within 24 hours na sold out. Pero yun nga po, humingi na siya ng sorry dahil in less than 1 minute nga po na sold out ang ticket ng SB19 sa Global Spin Live. At ayon sa update, tila ang SB19 lang po or sa SB19 lang nangyari ito na ang ticket ay agad-agad naubos. At eto pa po, marahil hindi na po ito bago, pero ito po ay bago. P-pop lesson. Students are not only learning about traditional Asian music and arts, they are also seeing how modern Filipino pop culture is becoming part of classroom discussions. SB19 was featured in Exploring Asian Music Arts and Embracing Wellness, a series of Muppet textbooks that discusses the development of music, arts, culture, and wellness across Asia. In a section about the rise of Philippine pop music, the group was cited as an example of P-pop superstars and recognized for helping shape the growth of the genre in the country. For Pablo, Jostel, Ken, and Justine, the textbook mention adds another layer to their journey as Filipino artists. Their work is no longer being recognized only through charts, concerts, and international stages, but also as part of how students learn about the evolution of Philippines music. SB19 has been widely associated with the rise of modern P-pop, bringing Filipino music, language, performance, and identity to wider audiences. Their inclusion in a school material shows how today's artists can become examples of cultural representation for younger learners. The recognition also resonated with supporters, especially those who see the group as a positive example for students and aspiring artists. Napakagandang imahe at halimbawa ng SB19. Nakaka-inspired sila ng good quality ng isang artist, may pagmamahal sa sariling bansa, mga kanta nila. For learners, the feature turns a familiar pop group into a lesson on music, culture, and Filipino identity, showing that the stories shaping today's youth can also become part of what is studied inside the classroom. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.